sorry I've been gone for so long, but it's been a lot going on. So I'm trying to catch up on videos and get these edited and uploaded for you guys. So as you can see from the title, I am doing box braids. But on this particular client's head, she had dreadlocks for a very long time. So she really doesn't like too many products or chemicals in her head. And because her hair is so short, I would have had to use a lot. So we just decided to do the half crochet, half box braid method, and it turned out to look very nice, and I believe it's going to be super comfortable for her. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to leave them in the comment section below. All items used will be in the description box below. Also, I know that a lot of the video is going by really fast, but if you look in the top right corner of the video, you have like this option menu that will come down. You can actually go and slow the video down if you need to. And I also did some of the braids in very slow motion so that you guys can see that part as well. And thank you guys so much for subscribing, and thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.